Welcome to Cabrini's Religion Department. My name is Denise Terrio, and this is my 25th year teaching here. This year I'm teaching 9th and 12th graders. Our religion curriculum offers a rich, solid foundation in the Catholic faith. Our students study sacred scripture, the sacraments, theology of the body, Catholic social teaching, the sacred traditions of the church, and Christian vocations, all with the intention of them living out what they have learned. Our students practice what is learned by participating in our extensive service learning program, a campus ministry team, grade level retreats, the National Right to Life March, school liturgies, clubs, and a variety of archdiocesan sponsored opportunities for the young church to grow and flourish. Upon graduation, Cabrini girls is well equipped to live and share her faith by bringing hope, courage, and the love of Christ into the world, following in the footsteps of St. Francis Xavier Cabrini, our saint, who walked right here where we walk every single day.